Robert, is there anyone that shouldn't use the laser helmet? I keep saying laser, the LED helmet.
Well, not really, but what we have to take into consideration is what Jennifer already said in the beginning. You can use it also in oncology for tumors, but then you should use it for a photodynamic approach, which means that you should use it in combination with a light-sensitive supplement, which is basically interacting with the light to attack the cancer cells. But you shouldn't use the helmet just alone without the supplement if you're a cancer patient.
Yeah, as with most things, it's an integrative, comprehensive approach, especially when you're dealing with complex chronic conditions or something like cancer. Now, Jennifer, I want to ask you, because everyone always wants to know, okay, what's it cost? What's the price here? What are we looking at? So how much is this helmet? What it'll cost somebody?
The helmets retail at $3,200. And they do have a warranty. And we have obviously always make sure that Weber team always sends out manuals and support materials to you or anyone else interested.
Yeah. And if you think about it, that's $3,200 over the lifetime of usage, right? And it'll last you multiple years. You could look at a cup of coffee and break that down. And over a year or two, you'll probably be paying much more for that coffee. And this won't give you the same effects. Although that nice little kick of caffeine is nice for your brain, what it does afterwards sometimes when you dip is not the good part. And this is absolutely beneficial for the brain. Robert, any final thoughts that you'd like to share? Anything else that you'd want to connect to the Weber helmet, or you think the audience could use?
Well, I think we covered most areas by now. What I just would like to add or share, because we also talked about depression and everything, we can also share a very good testimonial with you shortly. We have a very good cooperation now with a veteran organization from Florida. We just met them and they told me they see such incredible results with their veterans, with all those people coming back from the war with severe depression, suicidal tendencies, TBI and all those issues. And they told me usually many of the veteran center or in general, the military has huge issues with people coming back and with suicides and everything. And they have set up such a program with with our devices. And he said that's really a game changer because they lost no veteran at all during the last few years. And they told me for some of their people, it was really life-saving. The depression went away after a couple of weeks. And they couldn't really believe it. And they really want to send us a good testimonial now as well. This was really impressive to hear.
That's incredible because yes, people that come back and have post-traumatic stress disorder, have that anxiety, have those traumas. Those are brain issues a lot of times that you need to address. And again, conventional medicine has very few options and you could go for those, but why not utilize something like this that's as simple as putting on a helmet, sitting there, meditating and actually getting therapeutic effect. Jennifer, any final words from you?
I think we've kind of covered most of it. I think the biggest thing is that the utilization of this helmet, there's really nothing you can do that would hurt yourself. We have only seen benefits from it. It's easy to use, yet very scientifically advanced. And as most of us know, not all products are created equal. There is something very unique about the quality of the diodes utilized in the Weber product. And I will say that from personal experience. We've worked with more than one type, and we've never seen anyone not respond to it, especially if they're using it properly and actually utilizing it. Like anything, you want to get a response from something, you need to utilize it or take the supplement, right? Same thing with the helmet. But it's an amazing product. We've used it for years, and we're here to answer questions, support, and we're constantly doing research and sharing testimonials. So I'll be happy to share those and pass those on as it continues coming in.
Awesome. Yeah, it's that German engineering. It's a wonderful thing.
It really
is high quality. You can't beat it.
It really is.
I mean, I could absolutely attest to that. We've been using it a lot at the clinic, and we're super excited to continue using it, offering it to patients and other people to use at home as well, and really helping protect, the most important object in the universe, our human brain. It's just so complex, and we're still learning so much about it. But we also realize that things like light is incredibly useful for it. So thank you both for sharing that and shining a light
Very
on
much so.
this important therapy. So thank you.
Thank you as well.